Your Gucci sunglasses come in this hard case. It is really plush and velvety, very soft to the touch. So you get three things with your sunglasses: a dust bag for your actual case, a microfiber cloth to clean your lenses with, and then of course the hard case. These are an all black wireframe aviator style pair of sunglasses. And if we take a closer look at the brow bar, you'll see that Gucci is written right there. And that is truly all the branding that you'll see. Everything else is pretty minimalistic, and it's really just your standard classic pair of aviators. The lenses that come with these glasses are a dark gray and they are non-polarized. So let's dive into the measurements. The lens width is 65 millimeters, the nose bridge is 13 millimeters, and the temples measure out to 145 millimeters long. And this is what the sunglasses look like on.